Today guys, meron tayo nakuha a big package from our friends from Homesecure, and they are your digital security partner. So here in this box is a digital lock called Apollo. So we'll be unboxing this one and I'll show you how it functions and all the things that you need to know if you want to install a digital lock at home. Now, let's get it started. Hi guys, it's me, Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel, Homesecure, and of course, opening it. And we have here is, of course, styro. So you can see, basically it says here, hi, I'm Apollo. So it's a 3D fingerprint scanner. It is capable to be controlled by a mobile app, smart home integration, and 24/7 guaranteed service. 2 years of warranty for parts. So check their Facebook page and Instagram page and website. So this is a premium digital lock. So let me just take this one off. So this one is basically a guide on what to knock off your wood, on what to trim on your door. So don't lose this. More styros. I have here a to C cable as well as some NFC tags. And at the back is a user manual. So opening this one, looks premium. Okay. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So basically we just need to tear this one off to show you how glossy, how nice looking it is. So basically this is the fingerprint scanner, and you have all of this one that we might know once we installed it, once we power this one up, so that we'll be able to see all the function that we need to know on this digital lock. So at the back we have some of these screws that will be mounting on the door. So some of this adapter you'll be needing to attach on the other end. So basically this is where you tap your NFC card, or you can just simply type in your code here. Simple. This one is basically how you handle it when you want to open the door, and just using the fingerprint here. Let's take a quick look at the other one. Looks good as well. So this is the other end. So on the other end, this one is a button. I'm not quite sure yet what this is, but this one is definitely the lock. This is for most likely the indoor. Now this is a more glossy view. This is for the inside. So at the back, we have some rubber guides over here. And this is where you attach it from the other end. Here on top, you have your USB Type-C charging port. And here is the button. Now, further opening the box, there are some other more tools inside that you might need to know. So here are some bolts and nuts for you to use. Here are some screws for you to use. Now, here are some physical keys that you might want to use if you're running out of power. Now, this one is another guide that you need to use if you're installing. And this one is a heavy box. And this one is the ones that you attach to your door frames. Okay, so this one is probably on the side. And this one is what you attach in the middle, if I'm correct. So in essence, you attach this one here, so to power this one up. And once you power this up, you can, of course, control all of these locks. And by the way, guys, this one is made out of premium stainless steel, so don't be afraid that it might get rusty. It won't, since it's made out of high quality stainless grade steel. And this one too. Now, taking a quick look here on the manual. So it's a T lock. Okay, so user manual. So this one will guide you through the app management, user management, fingerprint unlocking, code unlocking, card unlocking, emergency power supply, and remote controller unlocking. So this is the app that you need to download for you to be able to install it. And of course, it will ask for admin password. So turn on Bluetooth, register and log in the app, add the lock, close the lock, choose the lock, and of course, admin passcode is added. Now, you can modify your passcode. You can send an e-key to administrator. Then you can add your fingerprint as well. Now, you can add your NFC card, NFC tag, whatever you call it. And you can even add a gateway. You can also do all the deleting if you don't need it. delete fingerprint, delete passcode, and delete an IC card. Now, this is basically everything that you want to know from the Apollo Premium Digital Lock, and everything I've already shown you, all the things that you will get upon unboxing this stuff. So I can say the lock, the door lock is quite premium, glossy looking. It's perfect, and I can't wait to mount it on my door. And by the way, they provide free services on installation. So, well, that's less headache for you. Stay tuned for my next video for the full installation and how to use and operate this premium digital lock, and how to use and operate this premium digital lock from Homesecure. I'll be walking you through everything on the app, and how to unlock using the fingerprint, how to unlock using the manual key, and how to unlock using the NFC tag, and also what to do, especially on emergency times. Now, with that said, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon so you don't miss the future uploads here from my channel. So I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?